Hi everybody, and welcome back to the Fairy Tale family. I'm Chelsea.
Caleigh.
And this is Caleigh. We're in our matching little wintry fleeces today.
But this is something different.
Yes, Caleigh likes to have a t-shirt on under her fleece.
Yeah, because it was cold on this thing.
The zipper
bottom.
was cold?
Yeah.
Yeah. So what are we doing in today's craft for the new year?
We are gonna do like,
By describe it? Or can you, if I say what it's called, can you tell everybody what you do with it?
I do not know what we do.
So it is a 2020 time capsule. Ooh, what's a time capsule? Do you know?
No.
Do you know what goes inside it?
No.
Well, what do we have to kind of go inside of it?
Picture.
We have lots of pictures for the year, some commemorative items. We have some printouts that we'll show you. But the idea is that this is a nice way to close out 2020, which needs closing out, and to, in whatever your future year's time looks like, to open this up and remember some of the things that happened this year, right? I'm gonna show you some, you agree now? I'd like to show you some of the supplies that we're going to be using today. Nothing is expensive. You likely can get everything.
A hot glue gun.
Not ready yet, baby. You likely can get everything that you already have at home, and we're doing some supplementing with the Magic Playbook, which I'll link down below, but it's where all of our printouts are coming from today. So we are using the classiest of all time capsules.
Pringles.
A Pringles tube. I like this because it comes with
glue gun.
We're gonna need a hot glue gun with a top. Now, I had envisioned being able to pull off this blue wrapping, but Caleigh and I both tried,
Hey,
and
guess what?
we can't get.
Look at my fingernails.
They're so sharp.
What's
We can't seem to get this off. So what, oh boy. So what I think we're going to do is simply paint right over it, and we'll see how that goes. Do you want to grab the paint color that you chose? One of Caleigh's favorite colors is? Lilac. So we picked this one out at Michael's. I used a 60% off coupon. It was under $1. And we are going to start by painting our tube. Using Caleigh's little play mat here. I can help you with that too.
I got it.
I also have these that I picked up off Amazon in March, so I will link those below as well. And then I have big foam guys to paint over it, and of course we have smaller paintbrushes. You could also wrap this with paper. I think that would be really pretty too. Okay, so this needs to be done first so that it can dry. You wanna roll, your sleeves are already rolled up? Okay, let's get painting. Okay, so admittedly our Pringles can required 12 layers of paint. It is still drying. We're just going to let that dry, and then I'll show it to you. But in the meantime, while that's drying, I wanted to share what I'll be using, or what we'll be using, to decorate. So this morning I did download the Magic Playbook from a woman named Caitlin on Instagram. I'll leave her linked in the description. She has a $9 a month subscription service with children's activities, and I've wanted it for a while and haven't really needed it because I've had the time to build out our own, but I thought I'd give it a try, and I'm so glad I did. This is not sponsored. I love her work. I've been following her for a long time. You don't need the Magic Playbook to do these activities, but I wanted to show you what you get. So this is a 2020 year in review that's all about your children. So if you had more than one child, you could print off more than one of these, and I'll be asking Caleigh some of the questions here. And
I'm only one child.
You are the only one child. And then if you wanted to, you could also include the 2020 A Look Back. This has like most popular TV shows, prices for things, and big events that happened this year. So I guess you could put newspapers in here. I think we're probably going to skip this one because we're gonna put a mask right in, I believe, right into our time capsule. So Caleigh Doodles, Let's start with your year in review. So I have a school picture of you that I'm gonna put right here in this little frame. And I'm gonna fill out most of this, but this one says about me name. And I would really like it if you would write your name here, because I think we're gonna open ours in 5 years, in 2025, right here where it says name. And I think it'll be really fun for Caleigh to look back at her handwriting and how she writes her name when she's 5 versus when she's 10. Yeah?
3 H.
Nice. Good job. So Caleigh's writing her own name here. Caleigh Doodles, how old are you?
5.
What do you want to be when you grow up?
An elf.
An elf? What is your favorite?
What's that?
Says, when I grow up, I want to be. And I wrote, that's a 5. What is your favorite food?
You know what I'm gonna say?
I do?
Cheese.
Cheese. Me too.
Cheese.
What's your favorite book? The Nutcracker? What is your favorite movie?
America.
Brave?
Yep.
Okay. What's your favorite toy?
I don't have a favorite toy.
You don't have one?
No.
Okay. What about color?
Pink and lilac.
Okay. Who are your favorite friends?
Zoe and Audrey and Zara. You and me too.
Okay. What is your favorite memory in 2020? What is like one of the favorite things that you did in the whole year?
Snow.
Okay.
Snow.
Playing in the snow?
Snowman.
Nothing about summertime?
No.
What do you want to do in 2021? What's something next year that you want to do? Play with Zoe?
Yeah.
What else?
Remy.
Play with cousins?
Mm-hmm.
What else do you want to do in 2021?
That's it.
You don't want to go anywhere? No?
Do you want to go on a walk?
Oh, you want to go on walks? Okay.
Yeah.
There's nowhere else in the world that you want to go?
Disney World. Yeah.
How tall are you, do you know?
I don't know.
Now we've completed Caleigh's 2020 year in review. Can you, without getting any purple paint on your fingies, find me your school picture? So we printed a bunch of wallet-sized photos from Walmart. This one will work. And they're just photos that we've taken throughout the year to commemorate special events like Caleigh's birthday, her first ballet lesson, her first day of school, you know, special family events. And a lot of them are just taken at home because we couldn't go anywhere. So we put Caleigh's school photo right on here. This sheet is officially ready to go in the time capsule. Now, Caleigh, I have a special job for you.
What?
Okay, I have this really cool hole punch.
Whoa. Mammy has one, but
She does?
But it's a starfish.
Oh, wow.
And
I
they're
also
super
have...
hard. Hers is hard.
Oh, I don't think mine's too hard.
What?
I have some of the artwork that you made this year. I thought it would be really cute.
Look at this whale that
If you
I
made...
Yeah. Isn't that a good whale?
Can you make us some Caleigh confetti? I'm gonna rip this in half, okay?
Yeah.
So that way you can Caleigh confetti, and then you can just punch out little Mickeys, and we'll put the little confetti parts when they pop out. Okay. So our tube is a little wet, but very purple lilac. Good job. And we're gonna hot glue some ribbon and tinsel-y to the top and bottom. So we're gonna wait a few minutes for that to dry.
Well, I just finished this.
While you finish, you finish making some hole punches. Welcome, babe. Plugging in the hot glue gun.
Always have a grown-up to help.
That is a very good glue gunning tip, Cal. While Caleigh continues to hole punch, I just wanted to share some of the other pieces that are going to be going into our time capsule. So besides the year in the review and the photos that we had printed at Walmart in the wallet size, in March, if you've been here for a while, you may remember this.
Mickey.
When the world shut down and we were in our homes doing all of the jobs. We were parents, we were preschool teachers, we were doing our continued work, and we wanted to thank the essential workers and remind the country that we were together in this. Caleigh and I made some rainbows and hearts for our window, and I quite literally just took them down for the holidays. So I think I'm going to, hang on one second, okay, Tina? Hang on one second, please. I think I'm going to roll up the ones that we have left and put these in the canister as well. So I'm gonna start rolling these guys up. Putting them, this is getting dry.
Then 1,000 more to go.
So we've added the hearts from our windows into our canister. We're gonna add these gorgeous confettis too. My hot glue gun is plugged in, and I have this type of stringy tinsel ribbon. So all I'm gonna do is just wrap it around my hand a bunch of times. This is not a precise determination.
Can I put it in the confetti?
Not yet, but yes, I can't wait for you to put that in. And then what I'm gonna do, okay, you make more Mickeys, my lovey. I'm just gonna hot glue around the edges and then just wrap this around as many times as I can. That looks cute, right, on the bottom. And now we have, before I add these things back in, so I'm going to take our little time capsule art, and we are going to tape / glue this around the edge. I'm gonna start with glue and then add tape where I need it.
Here you go, Mama.
Thanks. Oh, thank you so much. This is still a little bit, hang on to that, okay? Why don't you start putting the pictures in the order that you want them to go in?
Cool, what is that? Oh, that's great.
This says memories inside.
I'm making.
Oh, you know what would be helpful? Can you go into the closet and pick out a mask that you don't ever wear? Be opened on January 1st. 2025.
What?
Yep. All right, and then the last step, now that I've glued on our decorations, I'm gonna put some ribbon around the top, this chunky yarn, and then we'll fill it up.
I don't want to.
All right, so before we stuff our time capsule up, just wanted to show you the final out exterior. We've got some glitter. We've got our little stickies from the Magic Playbook, including, this is my favorite one, the 2020 time capsule. Memories inside, our family, and then I put some ribbon around the top. I folded up Cal's year in review. Hopefully this fits right in perfect. Let's put in the big stuff first. We're also gonna put in a mask that Caleigh doesn't really wear, right? You don't like this one, but it's purple. It goes with the theme. Do you wanna roll up some of these hearts? Put those in there to remind ourselves of the artwork we did. Oh, I know. Stay right there, you keep rolling.
I rolled them.
How about this? Your birthday candle from from your 5th birthday. Okay. Okay, let's add pictures next, okay? And then we'll add confetti. Probably too many, but we have some wallet-sized pictures. I'm gonna tuck those in. And then the final thing will be Caleigh's confetti, right? Before we pop on the top. Good job. All right, you want to super gentle. Sprinkle this confetti right on top. Okay, and now are you ready to seal it?
Oh no, make it!
Hey, we did it! We made a 2020 time capsule. Do you like it? So when you open this, Caleigh, in 2025, you're gonna be 10. That's crazy that you'll be 10. Thank you so much for joining us on our 2020 time capsule DIY project. We hope that you and your family enjoy this project doing as well. And if you do create one, will you tag us on Instagram or Facebook at the Fairy Tale Family, because we would love to see your work. Thank you so much, everyone. Have a magical 2021. Bye. Hello, we're being recorded and we didn't know. Okay, goodbye. Happy New Year.